Project management is only one aspect of a company's operations. It's a system governed by a detailed plan and carried out by a team to achieve a goal, whatever that goal may be. In this video, we will help you better understand the fundamentals of project management and how to create your own project management plan in 5 steps. First, what are project managers responsible for? 1. Team organization. Project managers make certain that they have the right people for the job, and that team members are used where and when they are most needed. 2. Time management. The project manager's job is to set realistic deadlines and clearly communicate them to the team. A good project manager will know when to shift resources when certain tasks are at risk of falling behind schedule. 3. Monitor project progress. The project manager's initial project outline provides the team with a roadmap for success, but that doesn't mean there won't be any roadblocks. This is where project managers will step in and take corrective action to ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. 4. Develop and manage reports. The best project managers understand the importance of post-project reports, not only for ensuring that all project requirements are met, but also for improving future methods and plans. 5. Project budgets and cost estimates. A project manager must be able to plan, manage, and ensure that budgets do not exceed their estimates. Second, how to develop your own project management plan. Step 1. Schedule a meeting with project stakeholders. The first step in developing a project management plan is to schedule some face time with the stakeholders. During this meeting, you will discuss the following 5 topics: the project's purpose, goals, budget, deliverables list, and tentative schedule. Step 2. Establish objectives and define project success. These objectives must be attainable and measurable using key performance indicators that will allow you to assess the project's successes and shortcomings. These KPIs can include TEMA spent, on-time completion, planned hours versus time spent, number of schedule adjustments, cost performance index, budget line items, and return on investment. Step 3. Outline the roles and responsibilities for the project. You've spoken with stakeholders and defined your objectives. Now it's time to put together your dream team to help you complete this project. Because no 2 projects are the same and have different requirements, feel free to create and add new roles as you see fit. After you've assembled your team, it's time to start ironing out the remaining project details. Step 4. Develop a project timeline and cost estimates. After you've determined your deliverables, goals, and team, it's time to create the real meat of your project plan, the schedule and budget. Step 5. Present your plan to the stakeholders. Once you've gathered all of the information you'll need for your project plan, go back to the stakeholders and explain the process to them. It's not a big deal if you need to make changes at any point. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.